Alright guys, welcome. We're given this question from PCE 1990, question 19, where we are asked to factorize completely 4 minus bracket open x squared minus 5x plus 2 bracket close square. Now, quickly we'll dive into this question by writing solution. Write solution. Next, we copy out our expression 4 minus bracket open x squared minus 5x plus 2 bracket close square. Now we take note of the fact that this expression resembles that of a difference of two squares. Hence, we must resolve this first before proceeding further. Therefore, note that 4 is the same thing as 2 squared. And this gives us 2 squared minus bracket open x squared minus 5x plus 2 bracket close all squared. And since it's a difference of 2 squared, we solve further by opening a bracket. I'll write that 2 minus bracket open x squared minus 5x plus 2 bracket close bracket close. We open another bracket, write 2 plus bracket open x squared minus 5x plus 2 bracket close bracket close. Now from our first bracket, we soft toss, open a bracket, write 2 minus times x squared gives us minus x squared minus times minus 5x gives us plus 5x minus times plus 2 gives us minus 2. Close our bracket. Open a second bracket, write 2. Now plus times x squared gives us plus x squared plus times minus 5x gives us minus 5x plus times plus 2. We end up having a plus 2 bracket closed. This in turn is equal to collect like terms within our first bracket. Open bracket. We have 2 and minus 2. 2 minus 2, we have 0. So we're left with minus x squared plus 5x. This can be written as 5x minus x squared bracket closed. We open a second bracket where we have plus 2 plus 2. Plus 2 plus 2 will give us 4. So the expression within our second bracket becomes x squared minus 5x plus 4 bracket closed. Now we proceed by factorizing each bracket separately. Hence, from our first bracket, where we have 5 bracket open 5x minus x squared bracket close, we factorize out minus x. Hence, we end up having bracket open x minus 5. Then from our second bracket, where we have the value of a equal 1, we have the value of b equal minus 5, and the value of c equal 4. We look for the value of C that when look for the factors of C that when added gives us B. However, before we proceed, let's quickly note all these down. Our second bracket, we have bracket open, x squared minus 5x plus 4 bracket close. And the value of A, as we said earlier on, is equal to 1. Value of B is equal to minus 5. And the value of C is equal to 4. Now the factors of C that when added gives us B are minus 4 and minus 1. Reason being that minus 4 times minus 1 gives us 4. And minus 4 plus minus 1 gives us minus 5, which is the value of B. Therefore, our expression for second bracket becomes equal to bracket open x squared minus 4x minus x plus 4 bracket close. We factor out x from x squared minus 4x. So open our bracket, factor out x, we end up having x minus 4 bracket close. We're left with minus x plus 4. We factor out minus 1 and we have x minus 4 or bracket close. Solving further, from our second bracket we end up having a bracket x minus 4 bracket close, bracket x minus 1 bracket close. Now we'll bring down the answer we got earlier on from our first bracket over here. Bring it down. We end up having minus x bracket open, x minus 5 bracket close, bracket x minus 4 bracket close, bracket x minus 1 bracket close as our final answer to this factorization. Thank you.